Hello, Dave here and welcome to another video here at Hollybush Railway. This weekend I've taken a little trip a few miles down the Clyde coast to Greenock for the 40th anniversary of their model railway exhibition. I got some videos of some fantastic layouts at their show there and I hope you enjoy them. If you do enjoy these videos, please do like and subscribe and click the little bell icon so you get notifications of when I post new things. There's a lot coming up over the next few whiles, so please do ring the bell to get the notifications. It's not too long before I'm expecting the Terriers, the J50s, the B4s and the Class 37s all coming up. Hopefully by the end of the year, some of them possibly even in the next few weeks. So yeah, there's going to be quite a lot to show you over the next few while. I've also got videos from the Cathcart Model Railway exhibition coming up next weekend, so stay tuned for all of that. But first, please enjoy these videos from the Greenock 40th Anniversary Model Railway exhibition. Minffordd Yard, Greenock Model Railway Club, 00 standard gauge and 009 narrow gauge. Minffordd Yard is a new layout by Greenock Model Railway Club, making its debut at this exhibition. It shows a real-life location, with the interchange between the Cambrian main line, represented in 00, and the Festiniog narrow gauge lines in 009.
Green flag. You. Nothing. Who's got this one? Nope. Have you got this one?
Just bring whenever you want. Bring something back. Fine. Oh, yeah. Let's go off.
Yeah, can you stop that one?
I haven't got it. Have I?
Who has?
It's 009. Yeah. Well, it's the same scale as 00.
It's all in the same place, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
So, you don't... Oh, wait a minute. Ah, so you've got double O and ND.
Yes.
Right. So that's why there's 4 of you.
Yes.
Right.
1950s living room setting, Greenock Model Railway Club, double O gauge. A vintage 3-rail Hornby double O layout, representing many children's first experience of train sets in the 1950s. Robbieburn, Renfrewshire Model Rail Club, O gauge. It's late 1984 and the drivers at Robbieburn fueling point are wondering what the future holds as the lines and yards around them close down. Set in the east end of Glasgow, the remains of the closed and demolished Robbieburn station are decaying, whilst the fueling point is all that remains operational. It seems that life has got harsher in Robbieburn since I saw it last at the Dunblane show, as now the infamous Glasgow ice cream wars seem to be in full swing.
I'd have to look at when the quarries opened. The quarries down or anything that there was a lot of red.
No, I think it was definitely a bit later.
Right.
Yeah.
So again, the fact that it's red ballast.
Inverboyndie and Inches, Greenock Model Railway Club, double O gauge. 2 layouts from the Greenock Model Railway Club joined together. In theory, Inverboyndie in Banff is hundreds of miles away from Inches in South Lanarkshire, but the modellers at Greenock decided to link them, and now they run only inches apart. Inverboyndie was the club's first build since taking up residence in Fort Matilda Station. It features a seascape, harbour with dock railway and a distillery.
Oh no, because you're running backwards, yeah. Right, so you got that couple up.
Aye, there it goes. Right, so that's fine. So,
Are you going into the bay or are you going into the...
yeah, that layout's much easier to work with.
This is a it's got nuances that you have to understand.
Yeah.
And it's quite kind of good fun to operate.
Aye.
I thought it was that one up there. What was the last one?
That's number 6.
Oh, right, okay. And is this DCC or DC?
Yeah, it's
DCC.
digital, yeah.
Is that signal working over there? No, that's it.
Stuck up.
Is it that one? That's up here.
It's probably gone over the tram again. You know, put these in so that we could have signals on these and another wire. So we decided to wire these switches which were initially for the lights. That's you about there. That should fit on. So you could reset. I want to go and have a look at the...
Inches is a small country station on the Muirkirk to Lanark branch of the Caledonian Railway. Rather than being built to serve any town or village, it's an isolated remote passing point in the middle of nowhere with the only residence the station master's house.
I'm Brian. I play golf with him. Yeah. This is all the golfers are coming now.
Oh well, we'll operate together.
Right, see you later, George. Good.
Adds a lot of complications.
It's picked up, yeah, yes. That one there, right? So if you look at the side of it, you can see it's got a fire. That's what we do. This is all running a traffic light system.
This is what I'm thinking. How much does this cost?
What's that?
One.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, the other skewer was...
This track's right, that one didn't go.
You know, there's a kiddie on the other platform when you're shunting it again. See
you
the
got a
bushes?
skewer.
See the bush?
Have you got a skewer? Because I can't see the couple in here.
You've got
I can't physically see the couple together. All it does is take me to point.
take that off. Press that.
Right.
Should be you now.
With a hit one.
That's it. That should be it, right.
Toolbox, you might be doing what
Tram layout by Douglas Southerland. Micro layouts with modern and traditional city tramline scenes.
I said I tested it, man. I said I was going to build a layout. She said, oh, where have I heard that before? I said, I've got the tram now, and I said,
Seething, Illinois by Joe Loftus. HO gauge. This layout, set in 1970s Chicago, represents the edge of an urban industrial park, with the rails weaving in and out between various factory buildings. The yard is operated by the Rock Island Railroad in its final decade of existence, although Union Pacific and Santa Fe locals can also be seen from time to time. Clement Gardens, Ayr Model Railway Group, 00 gauge. Clement Gardens is a fictitious location based on the west of Scotland. It features an older township in the midst of regeneration, with crumbling tenements being demolished, while the traditional employment of the town relied on the Glenadam distillery. The railway junction provides facilities for long-haul freight traffic and local goods, as well as a small commuter station.
What's your drop down time? About 30 seconds. Nice. What is that like?
I know it's like a book, it's a second like a That's pie. Voice. You found that the one in Walby was finished.
I am, yes, yeah.
That's United
It's only because I've seen them right here.
I've got them on the side.
How's Cress's with that?
Aye, I've seen them. Yes.
That's good job. Because it's half and half. You're into two.
Aye. I am, yes, yeah. It's only because I've seen them right here.
I've got them on the side.
How's Cress's with that?
Aye, I've seen them. Yes.
That's good job. Because it's half and half. You're into two.
Aye.
Micro layouts by the Greenock Model Railway Club. A selection of dioramas and micro layouts showing what is possible in a very small space.
This is the first time I'm down here in years. That's very much the only one that runs every now.
Burnside by Neil McNulty. A fully automated small space layout where the shunter travels randomly between sidings. Uppen Doon, Model Electronic Railway Group display layout. A showcase for the MERG kits to add movement and light to layouts. The gauge wasn't specified in the show notes.
The log is in and out. You're playing MERG as well. Trains coming.
Kyle of MacAllan locomotive shed by Adrian Walby, EM gauge. An EM 18mm gauge 4mm to a foot scale micro layout based in the Highlands of Scotland. Set in September 1966, steam has been gone since '62 and diesels rest here between duties. Exhibitions by the Meccano Society of Scotland. Nutty Slack by Dunoon Community Shed, 00 gauge. A layout where children at the show can have a go at controlling trains themselves, with an Easter egg hunt of little details to find. Bishop's End by Dunoon Community Shed, 00 gauge. A quiet scene on a rural branch line.
It's probably gone over the Tram again. You know, I put these in so that we could have signals on these. And we never wire. So we decided to wire these switches for initially for the lights. That's you about there. That should fit, sorry. So you could reset.
Look at that.
This track's right. That one didn't go.
You know, there's a kiddie on the other platform when you're shunting it against. See the bushes. See the bush.
Have you got a skewer? Because I can't see the coupling. I can't physically see the coupling together.
What's the coupling of the?
No, I can't actually physically see because the corridor connection.
Nanjai Eki by Perth Model Railway Club, N-Gauge. An N-Gauge layout set in Japan, with apologies for my no doubt inaccurate attempt at pronunciation of the layout's name.
Oh, that one. Oh, I thought it was that one up there. What was the last one?
That's number 6.
Oh, right, okay. And is this DCC or DC?
Yeah,
DCC.
it's digital, yeah.
Is that signal working over there?
It's probably gone over the Tram again. You know, I put these in so that we could have signals on these. And we never wire. So we decided to wire these switches for initially for the lights. That's you about there. That should fit, sorry. So you could reset.
Look at that.
This track's right. That one didn't go.
You know, there's a kiddie on the other platform when you're shunting it against. See the bushes. See the bush.
Have you got a skewer? Because I can't see the coupling. I can't physically see the coupling together.
What's the coupling of the?
No, I can't actually physically see because the corridor connection.